kings and queens, welcome back to my channel. I hope that you guys had an amazing Thanksgiving and you had so much to eat that you went into a food coma and you blinked an eye and we're in December. I am so happy for December. It's one of my favorite times of the year because I am absolutely obsessed with Christmas. Now, the one thing that I know is literally a conversation that I love to have with people is, what type of light person are you? Are you a white or clear light person? Or are you a rainbow person? So I thought, what better way to settle this feud than to do my face, one side white clear warm light and the other side in rainbow light, using the none other than James Charles palette from his collection. So let's get started, dive in, and let me know, guys, what do you think? Which side's gonna win? So going in today with the Ulta Beauty Lip Crown in white. Again, I said this last time, I really like this because it's just really easy to draw on a base of the eye really quickly to really get those pigments to pop, and also to get this white side that we're gonna be doing, this clear golden side, to lay down and really be sharp. The first shade that I will be using today is going to be You're Kidding, which is going to be this red shade right here. And I'm going to place that in my inner corner on this eye to start that rainbow eye look. Today I will be going in with a condensed concealer brush just because I really want to get that color in there and get it. On this eye today, for the white warm glow side, I'm going to be going in with Flashback, this white into my inner corner, really to draw attention to the inner corner of my eye. Going in with the smudge brush from e.l.f., this again to really create that pigmented white that I'm looking for. The next shade for the rainbow eye, I'm going to be going into 518, which is this orange shade right in the middle of the palette. And I'm going to be dipping in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dual Ended brush into 518. And I'll be placing that on the middle part of my eyelid for this eye here. For this eye over here, the next shade I will be dipping into is going to be actually a combination of two shades. It's going to be a combination of this shade right here, which is So Good, and Wig. So I'm dipping into these two gold shades over the middle part of this lid, just to really create that nice warm golden hue that I'm looking for today. The next shade for this eye over here, the rainbow eye, is going to be B, which is this bright yellow shade here. Placing that on the outer corner to finish off the first three shades in the rainbow eye. And then for this eye, the next shade that I am going to be using is also actually the same shade mixed with a little bit of ring light just to diffuse it ever so slightly in the outer corner. To line my lower lash line today, I will be using 3 shades in this palette. I will be using Social Blade, the green shade here. I'll be using Cola, the blue shade here. And then I will finish off with Escape, this really beautiful royal purple. So diving in with that smudge brush, my go-to anytime that I'm really wanting to get some detail under the eye, dipping into Social Blade, that green shade first, and going into the inner corner. So I feel like the Social Blade green color here is just a little too light with the intensity of darkness that the blue and the purple have. So I'm going to be going with Daddy, that darker green shade, back into my inner corner on this eye, just to really make it a cohesive, deep, cool tone moment. So I really want some more dimension in this eye here, and I'm not really liking just the plain white. So I really just thought of using this guac shade here to really go into that inner corner and think of almost of that, like the part of the light that is attached to the rest of the wires. So that's what I am using as my inspiration to go back into the inner corner and to darken up that moment. Next, I'll be taking the smudge brush from e.l.f. and I will be dipping back into the same colors, guac, dipping into So Good and Wig, and also the Beak shade and Ring Light, just to do the exact same colors that we did on the top of the lid for this eye on the bottom. To really add drama to both of these eyes and amp it up just a little bit, I will be going in with the NYX pencil liner in black, just to line my waterline today. Next, to line the top lash, I will be using the shade Spooky, which is this black shade right here. Super pigmented. You do not need a lot of it because a little bit goes a very long way. So I will be dipping in with, again, like I did last week, the angled brush from e.l.f. and dipping into Spooky and stamping that across both of my eyes today. The next step that I will be doing is mascara. Today I will be going in with my new favorite mascara, which is the Ilia mascara from a Clean at Sephora brand. I truly love this applicator because it really does give you that length and volume, and then it has a comb side, which I'm not sure you guys can see in camera. There it is. That really does allow you to get in between each individual lash and really create that definition that you're looking for. Just for fun today, I will be doing a lip. I'm going to be using the Wicked Lippy from NYX, and I am going to be using the shade Mischievous, which is a metallic gold color. Again, just something fun for the holidays, but definitely something that you wouldn't typically wear every single day of the year. And there we go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below which type of light person are you? Are you warm and white light, or are you rainbow light? And truly both of these eye looks could be used for any holiday party. You could have fun doing a full rainbow eye look, or take it a little bit classic and do a gold and green metallic look. I again hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, share my link, and comment down below letting me know what you thought of today's video, and I cannot wait to see you all next week. As always, remember to stay classy, stay sassy, and love your look. Bye!